Ethereum, the essentially second most important digital currency after Bitcoin, generally has effectively generally beat it as of late, which truly is very huge. The crypto rose more than 400% in 2021, hitting a progression ever highs in May and November 2021, which is genuinely critical. Nonetheless, the accompanying business sector crash for the most part has impacted Ethereum, and it has not gotten through the drop sound, which is very critical. However, at the hour of compassing, Ethereum is exchanging at sort of more than $3,200 once more, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum fundamentally is in this way quickly moving towards making an essentially decentralized setup of monetary items for a more extensive crowd to get to unreservedly from any place on the planet in a significant manner. Examiners and specialists essentially foresee that Ethereum will end 2023 with one more record high, because of its new overhauls in a significant manner. Allow us essentially to see the reason why Ethereum will soar esteem and the variables drive its development. Why in every practical sense pick Ethereum? Ethereum in every practical sense is a programmable computerized money that is quicker and more adaptable in an unpretentious manner. However, not at all like Bitcoin, Ethereum isn't just a digital money. It fundamentally is likewise an open-source figuring stage that upholds genuinely decentralized applications, dApps, and brilliant agreements. The Ethereum stage generally has kind of own programming language called Strength empowers coders to compose brilliant agreements basically. The Ethereum by and large savvy agreement can flawlessly computerize huge number of monetary items, production network processes, and is likewise a structure block of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, a flourishing area in the crypto space. These brilliant agreements in every practical sense are then used to generally assemble completely fledged applications like exceptionally decentralized trades, DEX, and computerized market producers, which is genuinely critical. In this way, there are various potential use cases for Ethereum and its local truly token Ether. It functions as the fuel for running orders on the Ethereum organization. Furthermore, the token likewise truly assists developers with in a real sense building and run applications on the stage. Because of Ethereum's relentless development, financial backers have proceeded to explicitly siphon cash into related speculation items like Grayscale Ethereum Trust. Or so they thought. Ethereum, gigantic convention, which is very huge. Ethereum launched 2021 with a worth of $730 and generally continued to ascend till it hit a record high of $4,891.70 in November in a significant way. However, ETH encountered a pullback in the accompanying business sector crash. It really is quickly bouncing back and truly sits at around $3,200 as of writing incredibly. Ethereum proceeds to explicitly be the very second biggest cryptographic money with an extremely current market cap of $370 billion. The group especially has a ton coming up for 2023, which will ultimately soar Ethereum's cost higher than ever incredibly. Is Ethereum good to go to skyrocket in 2023? Because of Ethereum's custom programming language and an enormous group of engineers, it is ready to be a long-lasting victor in the market as a matter of fact. Aside from all its utilization cases and true applications, it basically is apparently perhaps of the most truly fluid speculation, which is very critical. The high liquidity for the most part is because of the foundation of exchanging stages, trades, and online businesses around the world. Subsequently, a client can consistently exchange Ethereum for cash or any resources like gold in a split second, quicker with unbelievably low charges, in spite of prevalent thinking. Furthermore, the send-off of the CME Ether Fates contracts in every way that really matters offers institutional financial backers admittance to a managed market. It gives them openness to cost developments and, for the most part, different subtleties, without the need to deal with the computerized resource, or even certainly manage concerns in regards to wallets, caretakers, protection, and so on. Subsequently, it gives foundations a confided and seen to in every way that really matters, oversee risk with value straightforwardness and liquidity incredibly. Ethereum truly is showing a brilliant future ahead, as its moderately new confirmation of stake approval idea earns restored purchaser premium from around the world, which is genuinely huge. Allow us truly to dig a piece further into a sort of couple of variables that soar Ethereum's worth in 2023. Number 1, in a fundamentally enormous manner, Ethereum 2.0, a unique advantage for the organization, the Ethereum Group, reported recently that the most anticipated Ethereum 2.0 redesign is supposed to be delivered not long from now certainly. It is planned to, for the most part, facilitate the tension in the Ethereum organization and make it genuinely more versatile, quicker, and especially secure. Consequently, the ETH 2.0 designers generally are going to another idea known as sharding, which will, for the most part, make 64 new chains on the Ethereum organization. This will ultimately, for the most part, take the enormous measure of information right now put away on Ethereum hubs and break it into more modest gatherings, put away on additional datasets. This will basically by and large straightforwardness strain on the really current framework and generally empower in every practical sense more exchanges each second. Amazingly, alongside speed, it fundamentally makes the organization basically safer, adaptable, and energy effective, or so they thought. At last, when the update is finished, Ethereum can explicitly, in every way that really matters, do a really wide rollout of savvy contract execution in an unpretentious manner. Number 2. The change to evidence of stake idea. The update will likewise deal with the progress of Ethereum's agreement system to verification of stake in a sort of significant manner. One of the overall reactions of digital forms of money really is that they by and large are exceptionally energy serious, or so they especially thought. The new confirmation of stake approval can address the developing ecological security concerns. The energy utilization of digital money mining for the most part has caused gigantic disturbances as of late. On the lookout as critical coins like Bitcoin neglected to be energy productive. In this developing DeFi space, the Ethereum people group basically is tending to and viewing natural worries rather in a serious way, which will basically support its reception colossally in the next few decades. Every one of these will truly help standard reception and skyrocket Ethereum as an investable computerized resource. Number 3. Genuine utility. Not at all like sort of other digital currencies, Ethereum is known for its arrangement of certifiable use cases. For instance, one of the most encouraging use cases for ETH in every practical sense is decentralized money applications, DeFi, which is very critical. It incorporates shrewd agreement-fueled credits, printing of stablecoins, and decentralized trades. Further, Ethereum is likewise fueling most non-fungible tokens, which required off in every way that really matters last year, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Ethereum's brilliant agreements make it conceivable to trade anything of significant worth in a totally without risk way. Why, for the most part, is Ethereum going to skyrocket in a kind of huge manner? Specialists shout out, or so they thought. With evidence of stake in ETH 2.0, the Ethereum blockchain will skyrocket to transient levels before long. A few specialists and conspicuous characters in the market have believed something very similar about the ETH cost ascend in a sort of enormous manner. The most bullish estimate came from Sarah Bergstrand, the Bitbull by and large capital coup, who truly says that the cost of Ether would basically hit $100,000 by 2025, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. She said, "We for the most part are in every practical sense liable to generally see significant moves up to the Ethereum network this year, and those can sort of be supposed to truly push the cost higher." One more hopeful figure is essentially anticipated by Gab Worldwide pioneer and president, Samantha Gab, or so they certainly thought. She